full day of eating on the Yummy Bulk.
The rules of Yummy Bulk is simple. Real food, no carbs, eat big. 14 eggs, 2 pounds of cooked ground beef and hella chicken breasts. Instead of carbs, we're eating fats. Fats are the king. So basically, I'm eating twice a day. One before the gym, one after the gym. And usually that's a lot of food. At least 15 eggs every day. I know it's a lot of protein, but I'm trying to hit at least 300 grams of protein every day. So I just have to eat a lot. Meat, eggs,